What would you say if I told you that starting over at 60 is not only just possible, it is an opportunity to create the most meaningful chapter of our life? Hi, my name is Eleni, and I want to share this journey with you. Being 60 years old and finding myself starting over kept me down for at least 3 years. It was since I was 58 with a job loss, with a very big life event that pretty much destroyed me. And I've come to realize that every setback is an opportunity. And I know that we've heard this over and over and time again. However, after contemplating for so long and kicking myself and living in the past, I have decided to pick myself up, dust myself off, and start my chapter two. Because honestly, I think the chapter two in my life right now, it's going to be the best. I feel strong. I feel like I can accomplish anything. When we're younger, it's we're a mother, we're a wife, we're a daughter or a son. We are everything to everyone. We are breadwinners. I've raised 3 children by myself. Did I do a good job? I don't know. I'm sure we're all messed up in some way, but I did the best I can. My parents did the best they can. But the term hindsight is 2020 is so real. And I feel at this age, we do have some hindsight and we do have some wisdom. And the thing that really I don't understand so much is that I've been going through YouTube and looking at things, and I see everything is for younger people. Even to say, just like clothing. Why does clothing and makeup, they tell you you put this makeup on and you're going to look so great when they have a 20-year-old doing it? Well, what about a 60-year-old with all my wrinkles and my sagging and all that? What's it going to do for me? So how am I going to compete with that? Or even to buy a bra, they have these women that either have had breast augmentation or they have had, or they're 20-year-old. They don't need a bra. They don't need anything. So I decided I'm going to make a YouTube channel, and I would love for all of you to come along to this journey with me to explore what we have, what we can do with our life. Because let's face it, being 60 is not like being 60 50 years ago. Being 60 today, I'm telling you, it's like being 40. I still have the same energy, I have the same outlook. Yes, have things brought me down and have I gotten kicked in the butt a few times? Absolutely. I don't know anybody that hasn't. But why can't we get up and start again? I'm going to make this chapter two the best next 20 years of my life. And let's face it, 20 years is not long, but it's not tomorrow. I still have time to do so many things. I want to travel. I want to build my finances. Being 58 or 60 and finding out that you might not have what it takes to retire anytime soon because of stupidity or whatever the case may be. It's difficult, but I feel like it's all mindset. So, with this mindset, I would love to take you along this journey with me, and let's do this together. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, follow me along, comment, and give me your input. I'm going to try to not, no, I'm not going to try. I'm going to build this YouTube channel to the point where I can help every woman and every man out there that's my age that feels like they're alone, as I felt, that feels like they don't have any opportunity, feels like they don't have a chance anymore. And I'm going to take you along with me. Not only take you along with me, but raise you up along with me. And we're going to do this together. I look forward to it. I'm excited about it. And I would love to take you along for the ride. So, anybody out there that wants to join me, please subscribe, please like and comment, and let me know what you think about all of this and give me some of your experiences that you might have had, and let's take this journey together. So I will make you a promise. I will try to upload as many videos as possible per week because I do work full time. That's the promise I can make. I will do at least one. And I would love to get to know each and every one of you. And let's do this together. So until next time, elevate yourself as much as possible and be the best you can be. And I'll see you on the next one.